Hello everybody, see you guys again. Last time I showed you when I unboxed the printer, a product printer, but I haven't installed yet. Now today I will install, so let you see how this work. Here they have the instruction here, show you how to do it. The number one, we have to remove let me turn machine back so it's right here. Let me set camera. First, we have to put this here. So you just pull this piece of paper out. In here, how does this look like? In the first one. We have to take. Let me close back so you can see. It's right there. So I remove the tab. Now one. They have the handle two sides here, so you can pull it out. Let me pull, and you can see it. You pull both hand on one side and one side, and just pull out. Next is you pull the paper, the piece of paper here. So the orange tab out, and next move this tray out. Now this tray for the toner. Yeah, I have to cut the toner. Let me see. You don't need a scissor, they have this thing for you to peel. So the tray right here, that's the tray there. The toner, they have the yellow, the orange seal here. You have to remove this. And next, we have to put on this tray. That's it. Now next, next we place in the printer. Let me put okay. You can do one hand if you usually do it, but if you first time to do, you should put two hand, one hand, and then push a little slowly in, so you will experience how's that. Next, close this one. And now the step number 2, load paper in the paper tray. Step number 2, load paper here, this is tray here. So start here, mask. Yeah, they have the adjuster, table adjuster, paper adjuster on the side here. You go ahead. Yeah. This you can in, out, in, out. So you have to press this and you pull both hand, both side, and you in. That's for a small letter. It's for a big paper. Now blow paper in. Now done. Close. Done. Step number 3. Connect the power cord. Turn on machine. Now turn on machine right here. Oh no, not this one. This is a green power button here. And next step, configuration using the CD and CD-ROM, or configuration without using the CD-ROM. I have to use this one because my laptop there are no CD drive. Just give me okay. Give me 1 second. I go to grab my laptop.